This will be for the Khan Academy assignment, next steps after indeterminate form, finding limits. All right, so for all of these, they're going to be in indeterminate form. That means you have 0 over 0. That means you're going to have to keep working to find the limit. So all of these multiple choices are the same. It's either going to be factor and cancel, using rationalization, using conjugates, in other words, conjugate multiplication, alternate forms of trig functions. So we can see here, we don't have a trig function. This is not going to be done by conjugates. It's clearly a factoring. Okay, I can tell by looking at it, it's something you would factor. Pretty simple. Now this one here has a square root. We would want to get rid of that square root, and the way to do that is to multiply it by its conjugate. The conjugate means you change the plus minus sign in between the two terms. And when you do that and multiply by the conjugate over itself, what happens is the square root gets multiplied by itself and the square root drops out. That's what you want. The inner outer term also drops out. That's what you want. So when you see a square root plus or minus another term, in all likelihood, that's going to be a conjugate. All right, so here we have trig functions. What would happen here is you would rewrite the sine squared of x as 1 minus cosine squared of x. But anyhow, it's quite obvious since we have trig functions, we are going to be using alternate forms of trig functions.